Good reppin'. Good reppin'. Yo, it's Roncar. This weekend is the Japanese Classic Car Show in Long Beach, and for the first time, they're actually allowing 90s cars in because I've got my 93 JZX Mark II Tourer V twin turbo Toyota out here. I'm actually gonna put it on display. They invited me out. I'm gonna go to the show, check out some of the JDM shit there, and share some of that with you. So, enjoy. I recognize this car. Came by the donut garage yesterday right before the show. RJ stopped by, said what's up. RJ,
what's
up?
Check out my Starlet. It's a 82, has a N2 kit with custom built coilovers, reissued wheels, and a 4AG.
But my favorite part about this whole car is the fact that you daily it.
Yes,
right?
I daily it, and I did drive 6.5 hours to drive down here from Northern
6.5 hours in this thing.
Yeah, no AC. It was hot yesterday.
Yeah, it was. Nice work, man.
Thank you.
Very cool. Good seeing you.
Yeah, good seeing you too.
So here's the previous Gen Mark II. This is the JCCS 81. Little SSR action going on. All right, this is probably my favorite 510 at the show. Getting all the hits. The gold mesh, black on gold, clean interior. I'm not fully sold on the SR swap, but I can't be mad at it because it's a super clean swap. I mean, look at that. Woo. That is insanely clean. That's pretty hot, boy. Good reppin', good reppin'. I like it. Get your DT shirts. Daily Trends. Hands down, favorite Celica here. Drag Celica, this thing. This yours?
Yep.
This thing is gorgeous.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
What does she run?
No idea.
No idea?
Nope.
Even better. I love the tubbed out look on this car.
It's probably making about 550 right now on gas.
So what does it weigh?
26.
Woo! All right.
Turbo 350.
Turbo 350. Awesome. Very nice car, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, this thing's got to get down. Look at that. These always kind of look like miniature old school muscle cars to me. So to see it as a drag build is kind of perfect. That's dope. Respect. Respect the 1J. Non-VVTi. All right, so this is a pretty sick Toyota cargo van. Best part about it, pow! Look at that. Straight bike storage in the back. That is sick. Yo, Zach, I'm looking at you. Astro van, bike in the back. You gotta get on it. Thing looks familiar.
Thank you. Yes,
Good to see you again.
Good to see you guys.
Catch this thing on Build Bio, coming out somewhere around when this video is coming out. All right, I think these take the cake as my favorite wheels at the show. Look at that. Little turbofan style inspiration. That looks dope. So back on the like old school Japanese muscle car lookalikes, RX3s were always my favorite. These things look tough. Look at that. Got some mini muscle car lines. Whoa. Wow, that's dope. Super clean interior. Louvers on louvers on louvers. Gold meshies. Feeling it. Yo, look at this Honda Beat. Oh my God, so small. Gotta respect the hot boy wing. I just want you to see the separation of the wing. Certified hot boy. When your wing is wider than your whip. This is an Evo 2, 94. The daddy, the rally daddy. These things are so sick to me, especially in tarmac trim. It's crazy how basic Mitsubishi Mirage they look, but under the hood, 4G. Even got the rally lip going. Here we are in the hot boy zone with the most hot boy whip here, the Q45, cambered out with the metallic paint. Look at that glisten. Who knew Q45s could be that sick? And of course, the 1J. You might recognize this name from DT, Mr. Bizimoto. Whoever has the balls to pop an H22 into a minivan, I gotta respect that. Look at those ITBs in an Odyssey. The worst thing about JCCS is you got all these photographers in the way. I'm just kidding, it's Jafel. What's up? Catch all of Jafel's pictures on Hoonigan.com from this show.
What's your favorite car so
What's
far?
my favorite car?
Yeah, besides your own.
I was just gonna say there's a really dope JZX90 over there. I don't know, it's tough. There's a lot of sick cars around here. It's gotta be the Supras. Mark IV Supras are my shit. What's your favorite car here, Jafel?
Hakusuko at Auto Fashion's booth.
Nice. I know what my favorite car here is.
What?
The 2000 GT.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a gorgeous car. Check out Jafel's photos later. All right, so you can't have a Japanese car show without one of these. Mark IV Supra, everybody's 90s dream Japanese car. This one's pretty classic. It's on the CCW's anniversary edition. Targa top, all black. Yep, 6-speed. Yeah, this is dreams right here. This is some lottery level shit. Oh, I'm gonna get crushed for not knowing this color. That's a pretty rare color. Was never super into it. But the wingless white, that's the way to go. And here we have American Honda's first ever race car, 1970 N600. Somebody took this thing 1,000 miles through Baja. Insane. But look at this. Snowmaster, snow tires at the Baja 1000. Let's find out what brave soul drove that thing in Baja. Bill Robertson Jr., I commend you. You're a madman. Here we are at the Nads section. Sorry, Nads, I don't really have any favorites from here. Actually, this is kind of fresh. On the super old Racing Heart knockoff style meshies. I like CRXs. I just can't do front wheel drive. Got the Rally Zone. Some SD205s. I always like the GT4 wing. Ton of these out of Canada. Always see these things coming out of Canada. This dude, letting him know what he's got popping off. Probably because most people would be like, oh, sick Celica, bro. Nice RPFs. He's like, nah, I'm packing heat. Spotted. Nice.